Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have an important topic. Use of should or to must. Three words have same meaning, have same sense, but there is the difference. So which type of difference is here? We are going to learn it. We are going to understand it. So these there are three words and these words have same meanings. So students often confused and where even the different and their difference is so simple, but definitely when the students are unknown about it, they haven't idea about the difference. Most of students even have no idea about ought to. They have never listened this word, that where it can be used. And instead of ought to or must, everywhere that is used the word should. So we are going to start that what is the difference between should and ought to and must. First of all, I'm going to discuss here about the should. Should have common and the simple use. You can use everywhere instead of a few places, instead of few types of instructions, where we will have to use ought to or the must. Instead of these few instructions, everywhere, every in the sentence we will use should. It's very common and the ordinary things where we have to use should, like I need something, I should do something, I should sleep, I should go, I should eat. So all the common places takes this helping verb should. But there are some specific instructions. There are some specific place of your writing and speaking where we have to use ought to. And what is that place? That place is about to ethics and about to religious things, where we have to use the religious terminologies, religious instructions, and about the religious discussions, about the ethical things, about the ethics, like you ought to not abuse anyone, you should respect. We often use you should respect others, but it is ethics. You cannot use here should. You will have to use ought to. Often we use you should offer your prayers in time, but it is not place of should. We have to use here ought to because it is related to religious things. So all types of religious practices, you should go your church, you should go mosque. We common use here should, but for the church, masjid, mandir, and all other places which are concerned to your religious purpose, where you will have to do your religious practices, at that place and there you will have to use ought to instead of should. For example, you ought to worship in time. So it was used here ought to because it was a religious practice. So ought to is used all about the sentences and discussions that are about to religious practice, that are about to ethics. You know well what are the manners, ethics, and special traditions which are compulsory, which are most important in the society and the system. All those things, for all those things, we'll have to use ought to. Similarly, there is the third word, must. We're going to talk here about must. What is the difference between must and other? Must is used in the compulsory situation, where the instructions, where your statement is compulsory. You have not an other option. You have no more choice. If you will not follow that instruction, you will get lost. You will fail the thing which are you going to do here. Like you have to take medicine, and if you will not take medicine, what will happen? You will get more disease. Your disease will become serious. So what you have to do here now, you will at any cost have to take medicine. So if you will not get medicine, you will get lost. So it's mean that it is most important, it is most compulsory. So for this purpose, you will not use here should. Neither you will use should nor you will use ought to. You will use here must, because it is compulsory, otherwise you will be lost. So you must prepare your exam. You must prepare your exam. You must work hard during exam. If you will not work hard, if you will not prepare your exam, if you will not pay attention to your work, what will happen? At the result, you will fail. So, if you have to follow the instruction somewhere, on other hand, if you will not follow that instruction, you will not follow that action, you will get lost. So at that place, in that sentence, in that situation, we will have to use must. It is not compulsory that there is the Urdu word or Urdu meaning of must are written in the sentence. Just you will have to find concept of compulsion. You will have to find their concept that the thing is compulsory for you. You have not an other way. You haven't any other option. So at that place you will must. You will use their must. So it was minor difference between all these words and using of all these helping verbs. So it was very simple use of should, ought to, must. I hope you have understood easily, you have understood clearly. If you have someone, any query in your mind, any question in your mind, you can clear in your comments, you can write in comments, you can ask in comments. For such further videos, to understand English grammar in the very easy words, in the very easy way, in the very clear and very in simple presentation, you can watch my channel Easy Learn with GM. Thank you very much for this video and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.